The phenomenon of hearing sounds associated with auroras, such as the northern and southern lights, has intrigued observers and scientists. While traditionally believed to be silent, some have reported hearing crackles, claps, and hisses during intense auroral displays. These reports have led to theories like electrophonic sounds, where electric fields might induce vibrations in objects, including human observers. Another explanation is auditory hallucinations, caused by excessive stimulation of the visual cortex. Due to the intense visual experience of an aurora, scientific evidence on auroral sounds is limited, and the phenomenon is not fully understood. Researchers continue to study whether these sounds are a physical reality or a perceptual illusion. In various cultures, auroral sounds have been part of folklore, often attributed to supernatural causes. The mystery of sounds in auroras remains a fascinating topic in both science and culture, blending the awe-inspiring natural phenomenon with the complexities of human perception.